Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You stop wasting time and start by confirming prerequisites: adequate disk space, available nodes, and reasonable file descriptor limits. First, identify which service emits status read failed, too many links, and capture logs with timestamps. Once done, pause any cron jobs or CI pipelines that can create links. Make sure automated deployments are halted to avoid new hard or symbolic links. You keep the system stable while preparing to repair link tables and a node usage. This prevents further degradation before core fixes. You now perform the core repairs. Walk directories with find and stat to enumerate files with high link counts and export a prioritized list based on service impact. Next, remove unnecessary duplicates, consolidate identical data into single files, and convert hard links to symlinks when semantics allow. This reduces link table pressure and a node churn. Once conversions are complete, adjust the creating application's logic to avoid tight loop link creation or bulk link churn, and restart the minimal services to validate behavior before finishing. You finish by validating. Run service health checks, monitor logs for the original error, and use FSCK or equivalent integrity tools if available. Make sure link counts fall to acceptable ranges. Then, re-enable paused jobs one at a time and observe system behavior, ensuring no regression. If the error persists despite corrected files and app changes, check kernel limits like max files and in-flight links, and consider a temporary remount or controlled reboot to clear kernel link table state. This often resolves lingering status read failed issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.